This is the December Mystery Skincare Box by Agora. Let's have a little look-see to see what's in here. Hi there guys, and welcome back to my channel, or just welcome if you are new here. I hope you're all having a lovely day. Today's video is this is the December Mystery Skincare Box from Agora. Let's get it open. So if you have not already, if you want to hit that subscribe button, come on over and join the YouTube family. Would love to have you. Hit the notification bell as well, it'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, smash that thumbs up button, it really helps my channel out. This is inside the box. Like always, we always get a little thank you card in there, and then there is the product. So we've always seemed to get 4 products in here. It costs £12.99. I will leave a link to the app down below in the information box and the comment box. I've got a welcome code as well, so if you've never used them before, use that welcome code. They sent me an email, I think they sent everybody an email, not just me, saying that they've now sorted an app out for Androids. I don't know if that link works for that. I don't have a link if it doesn't. If you do have a link for an Android, can you pop it in the comments for me? Well, not for me, but for anybody who has an Android and they can click on it, that would be absolutely amazing. But yeah, let's have a proper dig through to see what we've got. Right guys, so the first product we have is this. So this is by the brand New Me Glop, and it's a creamy jelly cleanser. It says good vibes only, aloe vera, lime and green tea. This multitasking cleanser works hard to hydrate and clean the skin at the same time. Easily dissolves makeup, dirt and excess oil without stripping the skin, and you'll love the creamy jelly texture. Oh, that sounds really interesting. I love a good cleanser, so really happy to get that. I'm not gonna do a patch test because I've got loads, but oh, my lid's falling. But this is what it looks like. So yeah, that is like gel like, isn't it? Let's have a smell. Smells gorgeous, absolutely refreshing, but not too strong of a scent. That's really nice. The second product we have is this, and I am going to butcher that brand's name, so I apologize now. So this is by the brand Usrin. I've buggered it up, I know I have. It's anti-age hyaluronic filler, ultra light. It's moisture booster for first lines. Okay, well, I'm past my first lines. I've got a few. It just says help plump the skin with intensive moisture, immediate effect with fresh skin feel and up to 24 hours moisture. That sounds amazing. I can't wait to try that out. Ooh, this is what it looks like. That's glass. That looks a bit bougie, doesn't it? Oh, I should leave this sealed. I should, but I'm not. Right, so there it is there. It's like a gel. Yeah, it's like a gel. That feels lush on the skin. Very hydrating. That smells good. That smells so good, and it soaks into the skin beautifully. It doesn't leave any weird layer on the skin. That feels absolutely gorgeous. The third product we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand Herbal Essentials, and it's Himalayan infused skincare. Nourishing cream with apricot oil and aloe vera. Okay, what does nourishing cream do? So a rich daily moisturiser to help nourish and moisturise your complexion. Contains apricot kernel oil, aloe vera and sweet almond oil. That sounds amazing. Just pop it on your face and your neck after cleansing and toning. Avoid contact with the eyes. So this is what it looks like out the box. Oh, it's coming out. Stop it. I've put way too much on there, but never mind. Let's just rub it in. Oh, it feels really nice. That's lovely. That's really nice smell on it. That feels extra hydrating. Oh, really nourishing. I like that. And the fourth and last item in the box is this. So this is by Psychic Sisters London, and it's an amethyst facial wand. Non-surgical way to help reduce wrinkles on the face and neck. It tones the skin. So yeah, is it like one of them gua sha things? I know what I'm on about. That is absolutely gorgeous. That is beautiful, beautiful colour. I don't know if the purple's picking up in my camera there, but yeah, that is beautiful. I've got loads of these, so I'm going to pop that in a future giveaway because that looks like a really special one. Right guys, so this is the December skincare mystery box by Agora. What do you think? Right, so personally, I like this box. I really like it. As I say, I've received a few of these facial tools now, so I'm not going to get use out of it, but somebody will if I put it in a giveaway in the future. But yeah, I've never heard of this brand before, and I love a good facial cleanser, so I'm dying to use that to see what it's like. I've never heard of this brand before either, but I'm very interested to see what the results will be like with that. I have heard of this one. I think that's quite an expensive brand. So yeah, I've never tried that product though. So yeah, some very interesting products, some very interesting brands. I'm really happy. But that concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.